Welcome. We're going to talk about something that is totally changing the game in customer service, artificial intelligence. We're going to see how learning just one new skill can completely transform, well, everything. Your team's efficiency, the customer's experience, the whole deal. So what is this skill? Let's dive in.
And hey, just so you know, all the info we're covering today comes straight from Chapter 1 of the Beginning, Intermediate, and Advanced Prompt Engineering tutorial, which is from Virtualization Options LLC. We're sticking right to the source material here.
All right, let's kick things off with a question I know you've all asked yourselves. You've seen this, right? Sometimes you use an AI chatbot and it's magical. It just gets you. It solves your problem in seconds. But then other times, it's just a total dud. It's frustrating. It completely misses the point. So what gives? Why the huge difference?
Well, that difference, that's what we can call the AI service paradox. I mean, AI is an indispensable tool in the customer service world now. You can't avoid it. But its performance can be all over the map.
And here's the secret to solving that paradox. It's so simple, you might miss it. The AI isn't the thing that's changing, we are. The power, the effectiveness, that magic we talked about, it's not in the tool itself, it's unlocked by how we communicate with it. It literally all comes down to the quality of our instructions. I love this because it's so simple and it's so true. This one idea is the reason for almost every single bad AI interaction you've ever had. If you ask a vague question, guess what? You're going to get a vague answer. It's like a mirror. What you put in is what you get out. You know the old saying, garbage in, garbage out.
Okay, so if the problem is our communication, then the solution has to be learning to communicate better, right? That's the key. That's how we finally unlock what these AI assistants can really truly do.
And that solution, that skill, it has a name. Prompt engineering. And listen, this isn't just about typing a question into a box. It's a real craft. It's the practice of building clear, super specific instructions that guide the AI, that tell it exactly how to produce an accurate, helpful response. Think of it as the bridge that connects the idea in your head to the result on the screen.
And let me be clear, mastering this skill is not just a nice to have. The impact of a well-crafted prompt is real. It's something you can see, you can measure, and frankly, it's a total game changer.
So why does this matter so much in a customer service setting? It really boils down to three huge things: making things way more efficient, getting consistent results every single time, and seriously leveling up the quality of every customer conversation.
Let's just talk about efficiency for a second. We're not talking about small improvements here. According to the source, well-crafted prompts can slash response time by, get this, 60 to 70%. Just pause and think about that. That's cutting the time it takes to help a customer by more than half. Imagine what your team could do with all that extra time.
And that kind of efficiency doesn't just stay on a spreadsheet, it shows up everywhere. You know all those KPIs that managers are always watching? They all start moving in the right direction. Average handle time, it drops like a rock. First contact resolution, it shoots up because you're getting it right the first time. Customer satisfaction scores, they start climbing. And here's a big one. Team morale actually improves because agents aren't bogged down in boring, repetitive work. They're solving real problems.
So what does this transformation actually look like day to day? Let's do a quick side-by-side, the old way of doing support versus the new, AI-enhanced way.
The old way? You know the drill. It's slow. You're manually typing out every single response, hunting through endless knowledge bases for the right answer, and the quality is all over the place. Now, compare that with the AI-enhanced model. You get rapid, smart drafts in an instant access to information, and the ability to deliver consistent, high-quality, personalized service at a massive scale.
And this is maybe the most important point of all. This is not about replacing people. Let me say that again. It is not about replacing people. It's about creating a hybrid approach. AI systems are tools that amplify what we do best. They handle the routine stuff, which frees up your team to apply the things only a human can: real judgment, true empathy, and complex ethical decision-making.
Which brings us to the main takeaway here. Prompt engineering isn't just some technical trick for coders. For anyone working in support today, it is a new and absolutely essential core skill. Period. And the great news is, this is a skill you can absolutely learn. It's not magic. The source material lays out a clear roadmap. You start with the foundations, move into critical areas like security, you advance your skills, you apply them in the real world, and you get ready for what's next. It's a clear path forward.
So we'll leave you with this final thought. As AI gets better and better at handling all the routine, predictable parts of the job, our human expertise only becomes more valuable. So the real question for all of us is, how will you leverage your unique human skills to solve the truly complex, nuanced problems that only a person can?